Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farhan Hassan. I would like to present about my company Braille Resources. In school, various educational assistance has been provided by the government to help students to study at school, whether primary school or even high school students were given help. Help such as free textbook lending and the production of reference book for students are also available. But how about them? They also need textbook or reference book available in Braille for them to read, and in order to them to compete with other students. Braille books are the key support for their excellence. The lack of reading material for the blind are seen as an opportunity for me to venture into the business of printing Braille reading material and helping them to get enough Braille reading material. Therefore, it is our vision to provide Braille book to support blind children at school, blind undergraduate at university and college, and also blind who want to pursue their career by providing them with book and reading material in Braille. The operation starting 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. and for Saturday only operation in half day from 9 a.m. until 1 p.m. and for Sunday is off for operation. Flowchart of Braille Resources. Firstly, we enter the government tender on the Braille textbook offer. Second, tender applications are accepted and the process of publishing Braille textbook is started. After that, Braille books are sent to visual impaired schools across Malaysia by post or sent by us. Lastly, we get full payment from the government as agreed upon after all delivery of Braille book is completed. Braille textbooks are publishing according to the latest state education curriculum standard. Each publishing of Braille textbook is produced in accordance with the publishing contract of Braille textbook obtained from the Ministry of Education Malaysia. Previously, most blind people used audio assistance such as tape or disc to learn and remember the verse of Al-Quran. The lack of publication of the Al-Quran in the market has been recognized by us, and we are taking steps to publish the Braille Al-Quran to facilitate blind people to read and learn the Al-Quran. The process of studying Braille writing has been taught at school, but there are some individuals who do not have the opportunity to learn it at school for some reasons, such as parents do not send it to school, poverty, and some individual who has previously life as usual but become blind due to accident of Braille Resources see its market segmentation through two factors, age and gender. This is because in the field of education, everyone is entitled to study Braille. Resources provide services to all age, whether children, teenagers, adults, or even senior as potential customers. Braille Resources see today's circulation that require the individual to have the knowledge to success, so we support the blind individual desire to success by providing a Braille book for them to study knowledge to the highest level. The main target market of Braille Resources is the student and the blind people, but do not forget to parents or family members who have blind children who need our services. Braille production is a new industry and have a few competitors for this business. But not many competitors does not mean Braille Resources take it easy with its competitors. In Braille Resources, we use a new technology for the right time. We use a Braille Embosser V3 machine to print Braille document, and we aim to upgrade it with a faster and easier Braille Embosser V4 to use in print Braille document. However, we realize there are some disadvantages that we have. Compared to other competitors, we lack of manpower. Braille Resources has a total of 4 staff that move all operations within the organization to cause us to work hard to ensure that we complete within the stipulated time. Nowadays, people more tend to connect with each other through social network, and we think that is a great idea to use social networking as a medium to attract more customers. Distributing pamphlets aim to expose the public to existence of companies that provide braille printing services and Al-Quran Braille. Our startup costs only 44,000. We used to run up the business for the first time. In here we can see that we use our model to pay rent, salary, utility, insurance, office supply that make total about 12,850 per month. For break-even analysis, it showed that Braille Resources should sell at least 47 units of book in the first month, or about RM 11,750 in the first month, in order to achieve break-even. Termination of contract by the Ministry of Education Malaysia. This is because of the possibility of increasing competition in this area, allowing us to lose this publication contract as a result of increasing competition. Nevertheless, there are many opportunities we have seen and are only tied to Braille textbook contracts, such as holding seminar or Braille workshop, or repairing Braille embosser machine that promise profit to company. Depreciation of the currency. Currency appreciation and devaluation is not something that can be controlled by us, so some solution has been considered. Among them is the use of new methods such as using TGD software to produce picture in dot using paper that can be obtained from a much cheaper local supplier.